Hey, it's Steve here again with RPM Offroad Garage. Hey, we got the Grenadier back here. Just mounted up these wheels from Agile. So this guy, we previously installed some Eibach Springs on it, 30 millimeters of lift. And tires, we have 35-inch Toyo RT Trail. It's a hybrid tire between, I consider it between a MT and an all-terrain. So kind of nice combination. Customer did add a lightener rack while he had it, and it's got a max tracks up there, but the wheels look awesome. We still got to mount the spare up, but he's got the bracket from Agile so the tire will clear the ladder. But the truck looks awesome. Check that out from that angle. I just pulled it out of the shop and there's no rubbing whatsoever, so that's great. He'll probably take it out wheeling and see if there's any issues rubbing, but I think it's all good. The offset's nice. There it is. Thanks for watching.